Well, again, maybe it'll help to think about this if I kind of draw, maybe I'll draw a little stack here. Here's a stack of my ones. Here they are. Those are my $1, my singles. Then I have another stack of 5s over here. And the basic thing that's happening here, the basic equation, is that if you have part and another part, that equals the whole. So part of my money is over here, plus part of my money. If I put the two parts together, I add them together, I get the whole. In other words, all my 1s plus all my singles plus all my 5s equals $89. So all of these plus all of these equals all of these. All right, but I don't know how many I have. How many 1s do I have? I don't know. How many 5s do I have? I don't know. Actually, so I don't know how many 5s I have, so let's just say that stack is X. That's how many I have is X. How many do I have for the 1s? I don't know. It's a different number, so I could use Y. But it's actually going to complicate my life if I have two different variables. And you can do it that way. But let's see if we can be clever about this and use the same variable here. So instead of instead of Y, let's see if I can write it in terms of X. So forget this problem for a second. What if I say you have 25 bills and 15 of them are singles? How many of them are left over to be 5s? 10, right? How did you get that? What did you mentally do to figure that out? You subtracted, right? You had 25, but I told you 15 of them were singles, so you subtracted 25 minus 15 and you got 10. Well, the same thing is true here, even if you don't know that it's 10 or 15 or whatever. If we have X number of 5s, how many singles do I have? 25 minus X number of singles, right? Does that process make sense? I've got 25 altogether. Some of them are here, some of them are there. I have X number here, so I must have 25 minus X over there. All right. Now I just add them up. So if I have a stack of singles that are, it's $1 times 25 minus X, and $5 times X, which is equal to 89. And then now it's an algebra equation. I could just use the rules of algebra. So this is 25 minus X plus 5X equals 89. What is minus X plus 5X? Just 4X. So it's 25 plus 4X equals 89. Let me move this over here. So then I take this 25 and move it to the other side. Whoops, plus 4X equals 89 minus 25. 4X equals 64. Divide both sides by 4. X equals 16. Okay. Is that the answer? X equals 16? No. Not yet. You're close. You're so close. So don't leave it just like that. Because this doesn't ask about X. We don't even know what X stands for. We have to look back here in my little diagram. X equals 16 means that there's 16 $5 bills. So there's 16 5s, which means there's how many singles? Well, 25 minus 16, which is 9, so 9 singles. So that's the answer.